Hey guys, Ben Nathan here. Just wanted to give a little example to give you guys an idea of kind of my approach to the markets. And for this example, we're going to use two trades that were called out around the London Open today in our private live Skype group, Bnfx Live. So there are a few setups. There was the Euro New Zealand dollar short, and then the Euro Aussie short, and then the Euro CAD short. Okay, so with the Euro CAD short, as you can see, I shorted that myself at the time of calling out the trade, and that was my trade. And I know a few other people in the room took the Euro Aussie short. So before showing you the result of what happened there and how simple the trade was, I want to teach you exactly why I chose those currencies. Now, the important thing to note, and anybody who's seen my analysis will already know this, but I don't go to a chart unless I already know that I already know the pairs and direction I'm going to trade. Now, whenever I load up my charts or load up my MT4 platform, there won't be any charts there. So I have to load up the charts I want for that given day. But at the end of the day, I'll shut them down. So quite simple. So what I'm doing is through daily analysis, I'm putting together a picture of the market sentiment. And while I'm doing that, I do share that in the room as well. Now, the great thing about this is to find trading pairs, all you do is match bearish to bullish, and you go for the sort of the freshest data. So you can see we had the euro as bearish down to poor German data and the Italian economy. So that was data that came through within the last couple of days. And then I was looking at longs on the CAD against the euro. So that was due to some really good payroll information, permanent jobs, healthy rebound, and also some support from crude oil prices. So really nice currency, and that's the one I took. So sold the euro in favour of the CAD. And the other two setups, we had the Aussie bullish from some improved business confidence data. The New Zealand dollar was bullish due to the less dovish than expected Reserve Bank of New Zealand release overnight. So that's fairly simple. You can see, can't you, that the reasons why I've chose those currencies. So yeah, once I did my analysis, I filled in my sentiment, and then I went to the charts. And as you can see the candle that we were on at the time. So those were the setups. So if we have a look at the chart now. So the New Zealand one, we didn't see a trigger. But if you have a look at what went on from the Euro CAD, then you can see it's jumped down 46 pips throughout the session. If we have a look at what happened with the Euro Aussie, you can see it touched that level as I was posting the setup into the room, so it was ready to go. And then it's jumped down by 45 pips. But the important thing to note is that if we look at both of these charts, we can see we've got very smooth trends. And we didn't need to load up a chart to know that was going to be there. We just needed to know what was going on in the markets. Another important thing is, when placing a take profit, we're not looking to take everything from the move. So we don't want to be greedy and, take all of those pips. We just want to take a sensible amount from the move. And we need to have that predetermined. So for my entry, I used a Fibonacci retracement. And I went short at about the halfway mark. I just took it to the 0% retracement. So I took around 30 pips from that. So I, ordered in, placed my trade, set my various levels, and then I just left the charts for the day. I've come back just now, and I've noticed it's gone to profit fairly easily. So I just wanted to show you that. Hopefully it's given you an insight into, the way somebody who's doing it full time thinks about things versus your typical retail trader. So I hope that's helped you. If you can mirror that kind of approach, so always go for your analysis first, and then go to the charts and only ever open charts based on pairs you've decided you're going to trade. So you can see I'd already closed down the Euro New Zealand dollar. So that chart was gone. And you can see I've got the other two open still. And that's it. They're now gone. So MT4 closed, and then I'll open up the next day. So tomorrow I'll do my analysis, update my member dashboard with all that information. Then I'll find my trades by logging into MT4. So hopefully that helps people. If you do have any questions or there's something you want to know, then reach out to me, okay? So, you can respond to me via an email. So simply put, just reply to the email you've received, or just email me direct. It's bn@bnfx.com. So I'm always keen to hear from people. And, you people are the life and blood of the Bnfx service. So, we want to show our appreciation by helping people as much as possible. So if there's something I can do to help you, you don't have to come and sign up to me. I'd like to gain your trust first, okay? So I want to earn that. So if there's a way I can help you, send me an email and I'll see what I can do. Have a good weekend, guys, and I will be back.